Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2019 270 Vantage. What a fantastic boat this is. Let's start by looking at the profile of the boat. It has gorgeous lines going all the way down. You've got the stainless steel rub rail insert, which really looks nice, contrasts nicely. As you look up on the top, we've got the hard top, which actually covers completely one side to the other, so it's a big hard top for shade. And as we move towards the back of the boat, you'll notice that we have some rod holders in the back. If you do decide to fish, we have underwater lighting, and we've got the brand new 250 Mercury Verados 8-cylinder. These are state-of-the-art engines, just came out this year, and faster, quieter, less vibration, unbelievable engines. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Vantage, and let's start at the back of the boat. If you're out for a ride and you decide you're not fishing for the day, you've got a very comfortable seat in the back. It flips up. It'll go out of the way if you are fishing, but high back, very, very comfortable rear seat. As we move to the midsection here of the boat, you've got your live well. So if you do decide to fish for the day, you can use the live well. And then as we move over here, you've got the Yeti cooler. It actually is on a tray that slides out when you want to use it. And then it slides back in, so it's completely out of the way. Nice little prep area with a pull-out faucet. And then this seat here, it's forward facing now, but you can take it, you can have it rear facing this way, bring it all the way down, lounge this way, and then you can also bring this up and lounge that way. So fantastic seat. And then the head area, it has the vacuum flush head with the teak flooring. It's got a pull-out faucet rather, with a window and a little skylight in it. So very nice head. And the helm is set up nicely with the digital throttle and shift. All your gauges, all your pressures and temperatures and fuel burns and everything are all in here with your Fusion stereo. Large area here to put whatever size GPS you want, whether it's a Furuno or Raymarine. You have plenty of room to put whatever you want on there for GPS. So really nice helm setup. As we move forward, we've got a very large storage area. You can access it from two places. Here's the first one. This is the door for the trash right there. This will block off the, if it's chilly out, will block off the air for you. And then forward, we've got the anchor in here, so it's totally recessed, it's out of the way. There's a place to put a beach boarding ladder on here if you want. We use them a lot down here. The U-shaped seating is plenty big for 4 people comfortably. 2 big lounges up here. It's an absolute perfect boat for around here. The 27-foot takes you still into the shallow water, takes you out in the Gulf. You can shoot north, you can shoot south, no problem, comfortably. You know it's the safest boat in the water. It's a whaler. So if you've got any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.